Racing just is started. We have a toy for us. Break quickly at the start. That on the inside is Sophia's Fortune. Running by the rail is Manila Smile. Rushing up his pocket. Rocket Corduo. Quick Storm. And on the outside, Babon Lancer. In the middle portion, Tremendous Ethan. Moving up, Lord Gold. Then running by the rail now is something new. Next online is Highway Builder Maticas in the middle. While Zabor the Champagne is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, the lead now belongs to Corduo by about 2 lengths. Sophia's Fortune in second. At Hoy for us. Moving up on the outside, something new in the middle. Quick Storm is running 6 deep. Then here comes Maticas, likewise arriving at the scene. Tremendous Ethan. And on the outside, Pocket Rocket, Lord Gold, Babon Lancer, Manila Smile. Then comes Zabor the Champagne. Why Highway Builder now racing in 13th. And at the far turn we have Corduo maintaining a 4 lengths lead. And in second, moving up down on the inside is Maticas. Atoy for us is on the outside, Quick Storm. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Corduo this time by about 3 lengths. And in second now is Maticas. Atoy for us is on the outside third with about 150 meters more to run. It's all Corduo. And finally, the curtain closer belongs to Corduo. Second, close between Manila Smile, Toy for us. Then comes Babon Lancer for Highway Builder and Lord Gold.
Galing.